maximum effort every single play. Bring the body to them on defense. We feel flat every single game. Let's not have to begin, all right? Let's get 1, 2 in the middle. Team 1, 3, 1, 2, 3.
If you don't have anything to fight for, then what do you have to live for? Let's freaking go out and live a little bit. Let's live and take the fight to them like they have never seen before. Let's make them think those were the most vicious 48 minutes that they could ever experience in their whole life. What is our strength?
Strength Spark Warrior side. Shoot out. Shoot out. Shoot out.
Our offense now trying to go to work. Trey Vincent gets a pass complete across into Yellow Jacket territory. On their side, Hoffbauer takes this go. Lawson is going to roll, trot, leap, and fall inside the 10. Great pickup for McKnight. Hoffbauer fakes the give and looks back now, complete down to the 1-yard line, marching forward and marching in. Can we get the signal? We've got it, and we've got to score. Touchdown Lawson, touchdown Spartans.
Let's go.
How about Skip Stewerman? And how about Hosford Roberts? All the stop for the Spartans.
Yeah, let's go. Catch me on a highway.
To Lawson, breaks free, across the 20, 10-5, touchdown Spartans. Woo! Belton Brook takes the lead with 4:05 left to go. Here's a first down and a great stop from Billy Farrow. To Lawson. And Lawson brings the tackle.
Don't you get caught.
Has space, 20,
Don't
15,
you get caught.
10-5.
Boom!
Touchdown Spartans. Lawson McKnight for the 3rd time this evening finds the end zone.
They can't slow me down, better hurry up. Speeding down the highway.
Kate Hoffbauer, and he's too for the end zone. Touchdown Spartans. Kate uses his feet and picks up the score. Hoffbauer fakes the give. He's got a man, Bennett Jordan, and Bennett Jordan has nothing but space and a touchdown Spartans.
Hey, if you don't have anything to fight for, do you have anything to live for? I'm going to tell you what, guys, that's what I call living now right there. And hey, and a great job of Hoka Hay. It's a great day for a dadgum fight. Good job, guys.
Okay, on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Let's go!
Yeah.